We're going to explain the dreaded no overload matches this call error you might encounter when using React Navigation with TypeScript. This error essentially means TypeScript can't find a matching function signature for how you're trying to use React Navigation's navigation prop. Let's break down the common causes and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect navigation prop type. The most frequent culprit is a mismatch between the type of your navigation prop and how you're using it. React Navigation provides type definitions, but if your component isn't correctly typed, or if you're using an outdated version of the library, the type definitions might not align with your navigation actions. Ensure you're importing Use Navigation from a React Navigation native or the appropriate package for your navigation library, and using the correct type annotations in your component. Double-check that your navigation object's type accurately reflects the routes and actions available within your navigation structure. 2. Missing or incorrect route names. When using Navigation Navigate, you specify a route name. If the route name doesn't exist in your navigator configuration, or if there's a typo, TypeScript won't be able to find a matching overload. Verify that the route name you're passing to navigate precisely matches the name defined in your Create Stack Navigator, Create Bottom Tab Navigator, or other navigator setup. 3. Incorrect parameter types. The navigate function might accept parameters beyond just the route name, such as parameters to pass to the destination screen. If you provide parameters of the wrong type, you'll get the overload error. Examine the documentation for your specific navigation method to ensure you're passing parameters of the expected types. TypeScript is particularly sensitive to this. A string where a number is expected, for example, will cause this issue. 4. Outdated packages. Outdated versions of React Navigation and its type definitions can lead to inconsistencies and this error. Keep your React Navigation packages and their peer dependencies up to date to ensure compatibility and accurate type checking. Run npm update or yarn upgrade to check for updates and install them. 5. Type conflicts or ambiguity. If you're using multiple navigation libraries or have conflicting type definitions, TypeScript might struggle to resolve the correct overload. Make sure there are no conflicting imports, and if you're using multiple navigation solutions, ensure they're properly configured to work together without type clashes. 6. Incorrect use of generics. React Navigation frequently utilizes generics to allow for type safety. If you're not correctly specifying the generic types for your navigators or screens, you might encounter this issue. 7. Debugging strategies. To pinpoint the issue, carefully examine the TypeScript error message itself. It often indicates the specific line number and type mismatch. Use your IDE's debugging tools to step through the code and inspect the type of your navigation object and the parameters you're passing to navigation.navigate. By meticulously checking these aspects, you'll significantly improve your chances of resolving the no overload matches this call error in React Navigation and build more robust and type-safe applications.